Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix ship disappeared on Starfield. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if you want to fix this error, what you can do first is to use console command. So the first fix you can try is to use the console command. So in case you are in a place that is away from any city or you cannot find any shop technician near you, you will have to use the console command COC City New Atlantis Lodged int RINT to teleport to the New Atlantis. And from there, you can go to a ship technician and talk to him to modify any part of your ship. And after you are done closing, wait for a few seconds and your ship will be back. Just use this key right here to type the console command in the Starfield. And then next, what you can do is to use the scanner. So if you could have happened that your ship has spawned a bit far from where you have spawned, you can use your scanner to find your ship in such a situation. So rather than your ship disappearing, you should be able to find it a bit away from you with the help of your scanner. And then what you can do is to also talk to a ship technician. So if you are in a city, then you are in luck when you have faced this bug of ship disappearing in Starfield. You just have to go to the ship technician and talk to them and ask them to modify any part of your ship and make the changes. And after this, the ship will spawn in a few seconds. And then what you can also do is to reload the save file. So the next fix that you can try is to load the saved file from before you got the bug and now try to play again and see whether your ship is disappearing again. Because many players have reported that after loading a previously saved file, they were able to play without getting the ship disappeared bug. And the only downside of this fix is that you will be using or losing hours of progress. And then lastly, what you can do is you can try restarting Starfield. So as an alternative fix, you can exit the game and then restart it after some time has passed when you are unable to fix the ship disappeared bug in your Starfield. So if the game had glitched somehow or you aren't able to see your ship due to some bug in the game itself, then doing a restart after closing the game should solve the issue. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.